Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to be a game changer for side sleepers struggling with shoulder pain, the KKN Cervical Neck Pillow. If you're like me, finding the right pillow can sometimes feel like a quest. Whether it's neck pain or just restless nights, this ergonomic pillow claims to offer the ultimate solution. Let's unpack its features and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, this pillow is designed with side sleepers in mind. It features a unique contour shape with two different height options. The higher side provides ample support for those who prefer a thicker pillow, perfect for side sleepers. While the lower side caters to back sleepers or anyone who likes a slimmer profile. The core of this pillow is its slow rebound memory foam. It's not just any memory foam, it's designed to cradle your neck, shoulders, and back, offering that sink-in comfort while maintaining support throughout the night. Plus, it's got a cool, breathable pillowcase that helps regulate temperature, keeping you cool and comfortable. Speaking of the pillowcase, it's easily removable for washing, which is a huge plus for maintaining hygiene and freshness. The material is a blend of cotton and polyester, ensuring it's soft to the touch and gentle on your skin. Now, let's talk benefits. The KKN pillow is not just about comfort, it's about health. Proper spinal alignment is crucial for a good night's sleep and overall well-being. The ergonomic design of this pillow supports the natural curve of your spine, which can alleviate pressure points and prevent that morning neck stiffness many of us are all too familiar with. For side sleepers, it's especially important that your pillow supports your head without putting strain on your neck or shoulders. The KKN pillow's contoured shape does just that, allowing your muscles to relax fully, even if you switch positions during the night. I've been using this pillow for a few weeks now, and I have to say, it's made a noticeable difference. As someone who tends to wake up with a stiff neck from time to time, I've found that the support it offers really helps me wake up feeling more refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Another standout feature is its armrest design, which is great for stomach sleepers. It allows you to comfortably rest your arms without feeling like you're contorting your body into uncomfortable positions. And let's not forget durability. The materials used here are top-notch, ensuring that your investment in a good night's sleep lasts for the long haul. So, is the KKN Cervical Neck Pillow worth it? If you're a side sleeper looking to alleviate shoulder pain and improve your sleep quality, I'd say absolutely. Its ergonomic design, coupled with high-quality materials, makes it a standout in the realm of sleep accessories. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Until next time, sleep well and choose wisely.